It's our 40th anniversary, and Enginetech wants to celebrate with our customers. Every customer who purchased an Enginetech Master Engine Kit between March 1st, 2022 through March 15th, 2022 has been entered to win an epic weekend trip to Dallas. 2 employees from the winning company will experience an all-expenses-paid 3-day weekend in Dallas, including accommodations at a 5-star resort, dinner at one of Dallas's premier steakhouses, an Enginetech home office tour, VIP entry to a Texas Motor Speedway NASCAR race, and more. Our 40th anniversary giveaway weekend takes place from May 20th to May 23rd. We are excited to announce that we have selected a winner. Congratulations to our grand prize winner, Engine Parts Only. Look out for an email from the Enginetech marketing team for instructions on how to officially claim your grand prize. Also, congratulations to our runners-up, Titan Engines and Redline Engine Supply. You will each receive a $250 credit on your Enginetech customer account. Thank you to everyone who participated in our Dallas Weekend Giveaway contest. Keep an eye on our social media pages for future announcements and giveaways during 2022. Enginetech's exciting 40th anniversary year.